Hello, today's Google question on kettlebells is, are kettlebell workouts good for women? Personally, I don't think there's any difference whatsoever, whatever gender you are, what resistance training that you choose to do. But that being said, let's just go ahead and answer the question that people are typing into Google. I think kettlebell training would fit women that are looking to be stronger incredibly well. A lot of because usually women aren't looking for massively big muscle. Not everybody, but there doesn't seem to be like the ego of like guys or the gym type people looking into just massive muscle for bodybuilding. What kettlebells do give you it's a sub-maximal weight. It's very fluid to use. It fits. You can take it almost anywhere. You can get very strong using them without bulking up if that's your goal. Or if your goal is to build muscle mass, you still can do it. You can have them anywhere. You can train. A lot of people don't like to train in public places. Kettlebells are wonderful to train at home or in a small gym or outside. A lot of times, let's say there's some mothers of young kids. They don't have much time or they need to train at home in a short time period. There's wonderful stuff that you can do, complex exercises or programs that can train your whole body at once with a single or a couple kettlebells. You don't need a lot of space. You don't need a lot of investment. You don't need a lot of time investment. The return on your investment is high when it comes to training with kettlebells. Kettlebells fit very well. They're ergonomic. Just learning how to do them, that might be I don't want to say tougher thing, but yes, there are some challenges. It's really good for mental focus and mindfulness. Training what you're doing. Training and learning new movements. It's good for our brain. It's good for our body. All sorts of stuff. So I think, are kettlebell workouts good for women? Absolutely 100%.